Gillu summary in English. This story is written by one of the famous Hindi writers of our times, Mahadevi Verma. She is also known as present-day Meera. Suddenly, the author came out into her veranda and saw two crows playing with their beaks. In the ancient texts of India, the crow is known as Kagbhushundi. It is a strange creature, which is sometimes loved and respected, but sometimes hated and driven away. Our ancestors come back neither in the form of swans or eagles, but in the form of a crow. However much we might dislike their cawing, we must call them nevertheless, as they are believed to possess the souls of our forefathers. Suddenly, the author's eyes came upon a small form lying beside one of her pots. It was a tiny, wounded baby squirrel. Fearing the crows, it had chosen to hide there. Everyone said that the squirrel would not survive as it had been wounded by the crows. They suggested that the squirrel be left as it was. However, the author felt pity for the little squirrel and took it to her room. She applied penicillin on the squirrel's wounds. Within a few days, the squirrel recovered its health and began to jump and play around. With the author's love and affection, the little baby grew into a beautiful squirrel within a matter of months. Everyone called it Gillu. Gillu was given a home, a small swing on a branch with a bed of cotton tied to the window. This was to be Gillu's home for the next 2 years. The author says that whenever she would sit down to write, Gillu would start jumping and playing around her, trying to draw her attention. Sometimes, she would put the squirrel inside a paper envelope. Whenever Gillu was hungry, he would make a chick chick sound, and upon being given cashew or biscuit, he would devour it happily. When Gillu turned 1 year old, the squirrels outside would visit him and make some conversation. Watching this, the author felt that it was time to release Gillu into his natural habitat. She opened up a corner of the net that covered the window so that Gillu could go out. Gillu would go out of the window and play with the other squirrels happily, but at exactly 4 in the afternoon, he would return to his swing and sit there. The author had many different pets, but none of them would put their mouth into her plate when she ate, except for Gillu. It took her a lot of time and patience to teach Gillu to sit near her plate and nibble on bits of grain and rice. Gillu loved cashew nuts. On days when he was not given cashew nuts, he would refuse to come down from his swing. Once, the author was involved in a motor accident and had to spend a few days in the hospital. Even though Gillu was given many cashew nuts during this period, he did not eat many. It was apparent that he was missing the author. When she returned home, Gillu would go near the author and have her scratch his head and his hair. During the winter, Gillu would sit close to the fireplace. It is said that the average lifespan of a squirrel is 2 years. This meant that Gillu was nearing the end of his life. He did not eat anything all day and did not even venture out of his swing. His paws had become so cold that the author used the heater to warm them. However, with the rising sun, Gillu breathed his last. Gillu loved the jasmine creeper. The author, therefore, buried him near the creeper, hoping that the little squirrel would be reborn as a flower.